'Tis a wise superintendent indeed who comes to terms with students' new, almost permanent appendage, the smartphone. This month's edition of School Administrator unveils 4 key observations on cell phone use by children from Delaney Rustin, mom, physician, and director of the new documentary, Screenagers. Additional insight is provided into the effects of these so-called devices of distraction on student wellness, classroom instruction, and school-home connection. Also this month, a peek into the future, data dashboards for school climate, guidance on enrolling immigrant students, a framework for scaffolding community engagement, plus a snapshot of advocacy priorities and much more in the April 2017 edition of School Administrator, the flagship publication of AASA.